Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. A stovetop seafood rice is on the menu today. Alright, very quickly, here's what you need to make this seafood rice. I got mussels right there. I have a seafood medley. I have shrimp. You can almost see everything right here. I'm sorry about the camera angle, but there it is. See, I got green peppers, onions. I got crab meat right there. Alright, I have black pepper, olive oil, Himalayan sea salt. You can use any kind of seasoning you want. I got minced garlic, New Orleans style seafood seasoning. I had a turmeric, parsley, and saffron mixture there off on the side right there. You see the star of the show, the rice. Alright, y'all know what I always say, ain't nothing to it but to do it. So, let's get to it. Alright, so what we want to do here is we want to put some oil in the pan. You want to put about a half a cup of green peppers and a half a cup of onions. So you're going to cook this down until the onions are translucent. And when they are, you're going to take it out. Alright, don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe button and that share. And if you're coming back, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Now, let's keep on going with this. Now, what we're going to do after we take out the green peppers and the onions, we're going to heat the pan back up a little bit. So you're going to bring it back till it's hot. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put your seafood mixture in. And you're going to cook your seafood mixture. Now, if your seafood mixture is already cooked, then you just want to warm it up. But if it's not already cooked, then you want to make sure that your shrimp, your mussels, your squid, that's cooked through. Because since we're doing a stovetop rice, and the rice has already been prepared, then this dish is not going to cook that long. So it's not the same as the seafood rice that's done in the oven, where you want to put everything in raw. Okay? Alright, so right here to this mixture, I'm going to add a seafood seasoning. Now here, you can use a seasoned salt, onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, so you can use the seasonings that you want. I'm just choosing right here to use a seafood seasoning. Now, the seafood seasoning, it's not that salty, so it's not high in sodium, so I don't have to worry about it pretty much affecting the rest of the dish. So at this point now, we're just going to cook this seafood, cook it through, and when it's cooked through, take it off, put it to the side. Parsley and saffron mixture. What I am going to do here is I'm going to start off with a tablespoon of this mixture into that. So remember, it's not salty. So you gotta remember that. You've got to add your own salt in here. You want your rice to have some kind of flavor. Then you are going to, and I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon of garlic to the rice. Alright, so now, alright, so this is where we're going to get our color from. So this, once again, we're going to put in a little bit. I'm going to turn this up. I'm going to put in a little bit more of this chicken stock. At this point, you're going to get a tasting spoon. Alright, make sure that garlic is all through this rice. So you want to get this rice. Now here's where the saffron and the turmeric is going to give the rice this color. If you don't have saffron, you can use turmeric. So it'll still give it the color you want. The saffron can get to be very expensive unless you just get lucky and catch it. So very quickly, I just want you to see how this rice goes, the end of it. You're going to put the vegetable mixture in, and after you put that in and stir it very well, you're going to put your meat in. So you're going to stir in your seafood, stick your shrimp in there. Now your mussels, you just want to arrange them like sort of around the top, but make sure they're on the top so you can see whether they opened or not. Because if they don't open it and eat it. Don't try to do that. If they don't open on their own, throw them out. Alright, so mix this up. And basically this rice is done. Alright, so once the rice is ready, you want to squeeze some lemon juice all over the top of it. That is optional. If you don't want to put that on there, you don't have to, but that lemon juice just brings out the flavor of the seafood with the rice. It is very good. Rice. See, no need to put it in the oven after all. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.